All right, let's dive right into this explainer. You know, we constantly hear this wild claim that AI is basically a magic button. You push it, and it just prints money overnight. But what actually happens when you put those massive claims to the test? Well, today, we're breaking down a documented, first-hand account of someone using AI to try and build an online income. We're going to separate the absolute myths from the actionable facts.
Section 1. The big AI question. Asking ChatGPT for the secret to wealth. Let's get into it. So, our core mystery starts right here. What if you literally just opened up ChatGPT and typed in one ridiculously simple question? How can I make money online? Like, could one single prompt fundamentally shift your entire financial strategy? Well, the creator in our source material did exactly that, just to see what kind of wild answer would come back.
And honestly, expectations immediately collided with reality. The AI did not spit out some magical overnight hack or a secret internet loophole. No way. Instead, it offered something way more grounded, a simple, solid, foundational concept that pretty much anyone could wrap their head around. The advice was surprisingly practical. It basically said, start with content. Create videos, write posts, share ideas. It wasn't about trying to trick an algorithm or game the system. It was all about building genuine value. Which kind of begs the question, is it really that straightforward? So the creator decided to actually put it to the test.
Section 2. A 3-day experiment. Putting the AI's simple advice to the test.
Okay, so this experiment moved fast. Day 1 was entirely dedicated to AI generation, having it produce topics, write out scripts, brainstorm catchy titles, the whole shebang. Then, Day 2 shifted over to actual creation using totally free tools like Canva and CapCut. And the source made a huge point here. This required absolutely zero prior editing skills. It was literally just copying, pasting, and assembling the pieces like a giant puzzle.
And then came Day 3. The video went live, and absolutely nothing. Just 0 views, no likes, complete and total silence. Now, for most people, this big fat 0 is exactly where the journey ends, right? They expect instant viral results, and when that doesn't happen, they just walk away.
Section 3. Consistency beats everything. Why quitting early is the real failure.
But here's the thing. The creator didn't stop. Why? Because the AI had highlighted this one absolutely crucial truth. Consistency beats everything. Pushing through that brutal initial failure, posting day after day, learning step by step, that is the actual secret sauce to making this whole method work.
And then boom, the breakthrough happened. After consistent, repetitive effort, the algorithm finally caught on. That big fat 0 views ticked up to 10. Then it started a steady climb to 50, broke through to 100, and just kept scaling up. This traction wasn't just blind luck. It was the direct, undeniable result of simply showing up.
So, what's the overarching lesson here? People fail because they quit way too early, not because the underlying method is somehow broken. Let's be real. AI is not a get-rich-quick scheme. But it is an incredible shortcut to learn faster. It lets you produce, test, and iterate way quicker than ever before.
Section 4. 3 ways to earn. The actionable paths revealed by AI.
The first actionable path it revealed is straightforward content creation. This relies on the exact experiment we just walked through, right? Leveraging AI to brainstorm and write your scripts while you focus all your energy on consistently posting and growing a dedicated channel. But hey, if building your own channel isn't really your vibe, the second path is freelancing. You can take those exact same AI generation skills, like rapid outlining, scripting, and planning, and use them to produce high-value content for other businesses. In this setup, the AI effectively becomes your super-fast junior assistant. And finally, we've got affiliate marketing. This is where you use your AI-assisted content to promote tools that you actually use, and you earn a commission on the traffic you generate. The core theme across all 3 of these paths: they are incredibly simple concepts, but they absolutely still require genuine, consistent human effort.
Section 5. Taking the first step. Bridging the gap between knowledge and results.
Think about it like this. If you are engaging with this explainer right now, you already possess the first 3 requirements for success. You've got a device, you've got an internet connection, and you clearly have access to AI tools. The only missing variable, literally the only thing keeping you from seeing results, is taking action. You have got to abandon the idea of waiting for the perfect time or expecting massive overnight results. Just start small.
Honestly, one single video or one quick post is enough to get the snowball rolling. And over time, that tiny bit of momentum compounds into some truly massive results.
AI is not magic, but it is power. That quote really hits the nail on the head. AI is not going to do the hard work of consistency for you. But if you wield these tools persistently, they have the genuine potential to completely alter your financial trajectory.
You've seen the timeline, the learning curve, and the exact methods to start building. The technology is literally right here at our fingertips, and it's practically free. So the real question isn't whether AI can help you earn online, it's whether you're going to let another day pass without putting it to the test. Will you use AI to build your future today, or will you just keep watching everyone else build theirs?